Today is a new day and we're going to see the fireworks. Guys, yeah, of course we're here. Like, oh boy. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the fireworks. Huh? That's weird. The fireworks should be started right now. Let me check the post. The paper's post. They say it's on night. This night. That night? Oh, that'll take... Oh my god. Let me think. Where are you going? I'm going to the bathroom. What was that? It's not my stomp. Weird. Well, you think I'm the biggest dinosaur, but, let me check. High enough? Let's see, nope, nothing there. Okay, what about Pteranodon? Pteranodon, you're the biggest one. I mean, not the biggest. You have wings, so you can fly. Okay. Here I fly. See anything? No, not really. I cannot see a firework. Where is Pteranodon? I'm not sure. You could be here somewhere. I hope. I see mountains over there. Yeah, they're very far. Let me just sit on the garage. That's weird. I'm gonna check in the garage. Okay. Hey. What about barbecue? That's a good idea. Actually, I'm sure it's about the 4th of July. I'm not sure we can do that. What do you mean? It's gonna be fun, right? If it's amazing. Guys, you never believe what you better believe me, I just saw. What do you saw? I saw these, whoa, calm down. Is she okay? I'm not sure. I saw the fireworks. A day? I saw my own eyes. I know where that explosion come from. It's from the fireworks. Where's it come from? I'm not sure. I'm gonna try and tell you guys. Let me go check. Are you tapping? Yeah, that's for me. I'm waiting. Okay. I see the fireworks. Okay. Let's do it.